Alright, so if you don't have a corkscrew or wine bottle opener in your tool shed, if you have something like a hook, like a wooden screw hook, you could put that in there. And what I did was I just put strength into it and I screwed into it. As you can see, it's working just fine. Almost.
Surprised to hear that Ford is the most reliable car company.
No, it doesn't surprise me. Basically, everyone in my family has a Ford. Very reliable.
Well, actually, it's not Ford.
Almost got it.
Are you guys surprised? Honda? Well, actually, Honda is not the most reliable.
Did you get it open?
Just about.
What's in there?
Wine.
It's actually not Toyota. Based on a recent nationwide survey, Chevy is more reliable than Toyota, Honda, and Ford. I never would have thought. I'm so impressed.
Might have been slightly wrong.
Chevy's killing it.
I love it.
Can't you get it out?
Yeah.
But it doesn't always come naturally. This I can do easily. Benefiber Healthy Shape is a 100% natural prebiotic fiber that's clinically proven to help you feel fuller longer. Benefiber Healthy Shape, this I can do. No more waiting.
What kind of wine is it?
It's gonna be different.
It's like red wine.
I'm gonna see.
Huh?
Red wine.
I want to stop bottling up my feelings and express myself. This year I want to.
What's it flavored with?
What's wine flavored with? I'm not sure. Dark Horse Cabaret from California.
Deeper, 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 deeper. Tyler Perry's The
And it
House
must
of
not
Mountains
intended for you to drink it.
United Central.
I think you're right.
You said that one thing. Did you get it?
Ooh, it's breaking off.
Let me see if I can get it.
It's okay, Memo. I think I got it. I'll put it on the ground.
What is this?
That's a camera.
It's a camera.
A what?
Camera.
That don't tell me nothing.
It's a camera.
It's like a phone camera.
Camera. Oh, camera.
Tell me to face it towards you.
Almost. I've had some pliers.
Didn't you get it?
Just about.
Most of the time, them corks will come out when you pull them.
It's true.
But if they never know if that island's going to be there when they come back or not.